Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an e-commerce bot with Shopify, complete guide step by step clearly. To create an e-commerce bot with Shopify, begin by accessing your Shopify account. If you don't have one, sign up for a new Shopify account. Once logged in, navigate to the Shopify App Store. Search for e-commerce bot applications that suit your needs. Choose an application that aligns with your business model and customer interaction. Click on the application to view its details. Review the features, pricing, and user ratings before proceeding. If satisfied, click on the Add App button. Follow the prompts to install the application. Once installed, open the app from your Shopify dashboard. You may need to configure permissions for the app to access your store. Begin customizing the bot's personality and communication style. Input common customer inquiries to train the bot effectively. Next, set up responses for frequently asked questions. Integrate the bot with your product catalog for seamless answers. Ensure the bot can handle order tracking inquiries. Test the bot's functionality in the app simulation mode. Make adjustments based on test outcomes to improve performance. Once satisfied, launch the bot on your Shopify store. Monitor the bot's interactions to optimize responses further. Collect data from conversations to refine its capabilities over time. Regularly update the bot as your product offerings change. Review customer feedback to enhance their experience. Finally, promote the bot on your website to inform customers of its capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.